Hey guys, so this video is going to be the accent tag, which has been going around for a really long time, a couple years I think, but I've never done it because I don't know, I just never decided to, but then I finally decided I was going to do it because it seems like people are starting to, I don't know, I'm starting to like see it again, like I saw it a really long time ago, but now like a bunch of people I'm subscribed to are doing it now. So I decided I would do it, and then I got sick and didn't completely lose my voice, but my voice was going like in and out and stuff, so I couldn't really do it. Plus I was feeling so horrible that I didn't want to film a video. But I'm still a little congested, but my voice has finally gotten better. Like today is the first day. My voice is basically normal now, even though I'm still congested, and this is like the first day. Even yesterday, my voice still like sounded weird. So I'm going to go ahead and do the accent tag. If you don't know what it is, it basically is a bunch of words that you say to like show what your accent is, and then there's questions about what you call certain things, because obviously in different parts of the world things are called different things. And so yeah, for those of you who don't know, I'm from southern Indiana, which southern Indiana does make somewhat of a difference. I'm in Indianapolis now for school, but in case you're wondering where I'm from, like for the accent, that's looking at these words. I don't know if it's the part of the country I'm in, but I know that some of these are said differently in different parts of the country, but a couple of these I've actually heard pronounced multiple ways even where I'm from, and a couple of them I actually say differently at different times. Like I don't pronounce the word the same all the time, but I'm going to go ahead and say the way that I think I pronounce it the majority of the time, but yeah. Because I feel as if I feel as if where I'm at, since I'm from southern Indiana, I literally live right on the border between Indiana and Kentucky, and I feel as if where I live is a very big mix of Midwest and kind of southern, not extremely southern, because I live on the border with Kentucky, but Kentucky's not the deep south, but still, there's kind of like, there are a lot of different people, everyone just talks differently where I'm from. Like, you have really redneck people where I'm from who talk really redneck, and then you have people who aren't at all redneck, and just it's really hard to explain if you don't know where I'm from, and I need to stop this rant, but a lot of people talk a lot of different ways where I'm from. So anyway, here's the word: ant, roof, route, wash, oil, theater, iron, okay, I don't even, iron, I think is how I say it. It's hard to say that when I'm focusing on how I say it. Okay, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, sure, data, ruin, crayon, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, cot, naturally, aluminum, envelope. Although I say envelope. I don't know, that's one of the ones that you hear a lot of ways. That and pecan, I've actually known people to have arguments over how pecan and caramel are said, but yeah, I always say caramel. And then the question. Sorry I keep looking this way, by the way. I have it up on my computer, obviously, so that's where I'm looking. Anyway, the first question is, what is it called when you toilet paper a house? TPing. I didn't even know that it was called anything else until like a couple years ago when I was reading something and they called it something else. I can't even remember what they called it, and I had no clue what they were talking about it. But before that, I had only ever heard it called TPing. So, what is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? Roly-poly. I also have I've called them pill bugs before because, which is their actual name, I think, because of my science classes, talking about them, but when I was real little, they were always roly-poly. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? I call it soda the majority of the time, but I also refer to all soda as Coke a lot, which I think is a thing where I live that like no one else does. But like people where I live, not everyone, but a lot of people will refer to all soda as Coke. unless you need a specific type, and then you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's just this weird thing, and I never really thought about how that was weird until people were talking about what they called it, and I realized that I referred to it as Coke. But if I don't say Coke, then I say soap. What do you call gym shoes? Tennis shoes. What do you say to address a group of people? I don't know. Hi, or I guess hi, which is boring, or hey, or something, or hey guys, I don't even know. What do you call the kind of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? Daddy long leg. Okay, what do you call your grandparents? Okay, on my mom's side, my grandfather died before I was born, so I never really called him like anything, but my grandma Ames I called grandma, and then my other grandmother, I think I called her like mama or something when I was like young, but now I call her grandma. And specifically if my two grandmothers were together. This isn't an issue anymore because my grandma Ames has passed away, but like I would literally say grandma Ames and grandma Keller if they were in like the same place to like distinguish them, but I call them both grandma. And then my papa. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Cart or shopping cart. What do you call it when the rain falls while the sun is shining? I literally have no idea what this question means. I've never really called that anything, so I don't know. And then the last question is, what is the thing you change the TV channel with? And that is the remote, or the remote control. So that's all the questions. If you want to do this and you want to leave it as a video response, then feel free to. They're interesting to watch and to see what people's accents are like. And I will see you guys later. Bye.